We're going to learn a new bowing exercise called California Sunshine. Before we start, let's check our bow hand. So I'm going to hold my bow with my left hand. I'm going to drop my right hand down and I'm going to put my thumb with my knuckle curved like that. I'm not like that. I'm curving my knuckle. And then I'm going to drop my fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how there's space between my fingers. And notice how my pinky sits on top and my wrist is up. My wrist is not collapsed like this. This is not the correct bow hold. You need to lift your wrist up enough so that maybe a little ping pong ball will fit inside your palm like that. All right, so California Sunshine is basically the pattern of down, up, down, up, down, up. Short, 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 long, long. I'm going to put my bow on the A string. This is a violin. I'm going to do it with the viola next. But violas, you can do this too. Put your bow on the A string. Your A's over here. The violin A string is right here. Notice how when I bow between the bridge and the fingerboard. You need to keep your bow in this lane. Some people are bowing diagonally like this, or putting their bow up here, or maybe even going this way. Your bow needs to try to stay straight in between the bridge and the fingerboard. So on the A string, I'm going to start like that. Also, when I start, I'm putting my bow near the frog. Remember, here's the eye of the frog. I'm going to start like this. I'm not going to start with my bow down here or way over here. I'm going to start at the frog. So that's what it means by starting at the frog. All right, on the A string, California Sunshine. Here we go. California Sunshine, California Sunshine, California Sunshine. All right, and now let's go on the D string. So I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to stay in my lane between the bridge and the fingerboard. Short, 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 long, long. When you do the long, you want to go from the frog to the tip. All right, so here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, go. California sunshine, California sunshine, California sunshine. Okay, let's go to the G string. Now look at my G. I'm over here. My wrist is still sort of diagonal, but I have room for a ping pong ball in here. And now here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 on the G. California sunshine, California sunshine, California sunshine. Okay, now on the violin, you have an E string, so you can go up to the E string and do this. Viola, since you have a C string, play this on the C string. Start at the frog. 1 and 2 and 3, go. California sunshine. Whoa. California sunshine. California sunshine. California sunshine. I did an extra one because my bow slipped. Did you see that? So it happens to everyone. Keep your bow in the same lane and try to concentrate keeping it there. I'm going to pick up my viola so I can play on the C string. So violins, you can choose a string to play on. Viola, our C string is down here, so I'm going to play California Sunshine on the C. Violins, pick a string. 1 and 2 and 3, go. California sunshine, California sunshine, California sunshine, California sunshine. Violas are beautiful. They've got that mellow, low sound. All right, practice California Sunshine on all of your strings.